Hi, this is Bob Pellerin, CTO Bob, and today we'll be opening an LG A65B9. This is a 2019 version, so it's got the A7 second generation chip. By the time you see this video, please be aware that the 2020 version with the, I'm guessing is going to be the A7 third generation. The specifications for the latest B version or series is not really announced, but I understand that for the C series that they're talking about a C series using the A9 third generation, so I'm assuming it's going to do the same thing for the B series. So since we do a lot of 4K videos, you're watching right now, probably on YouTube, well, this is going to be in our office, and we're going to be using this for video edition. We thought it'd be a fun addition to help us out. The first part of the box is a stand, and as you can tell, this is let's go ahead and open this. It's a rather wide stand for good support. We may end up mounting this to a wall. We're not sure yet. We'll see once we're done. It's pretty sturdy. Nothing will move. And I'm assuming that there's screws that will go and on the bottom there. Let's take a look at the television, see what we can do with it. So what we have in the box, in the package, is this control. We've got the documentation, cable management, which is just really a little piece of plastic. We've got 4 screws that go on the stand. So yes, the TV is probably not very stable right now. This is audio, so you can convert it to an older cable type. And this, I'm not sure what it is. We'll have to open it. And that's just the empty bag that it all came in. So this LG 65-inch 4K television actually consumes 472 watts of power. The ports in the back, we've got 1 HDMI and 2 USBs, and on the side you will find 3 HDMIs and 1 USB, and features Dolby's Atmos. This is a sample 4K video off YouTube, and basically what we did is we used the main menu on the bottom. As you can tell here, it's got a bunch of features if you're using this for the home: Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney, and so forth. And right now it's playing YouTube. So as you can tell, I mean, look how much real estate we have on this. This is great. Let's go ahead and mute it. And as you can tell, I mean, this is just pretty impressive. This remote control is basically like the Wii. You can, if you can see it, I can move things around. It's very similar to the old Wii, if you remember that console. So that's the unboxing for the LG B9 2019 television, 4K, using the A7 second generation chip with AI. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please put a thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to catch our other videos.